Discord server growth, boosting chat. You made a Discord server and people were so active in the beginning, but as it grew bigger, people stopped chatting. How do you make them chat again, without making them uncomfortable? It's not uncommon for a Discord server to experience a drop in activity as it grows larger. Here are a few tips to encourage people to start chatting again without making them feel uncomfortable. Create channels for specific topics. As your server grows, it's important to create channels for different topics to keep the conversation organized. This way, members can easily find conversations that interest them and start chatting. Host events. Hosting events on your server can help bring people together and spark conversations. Events could be anything from game nights to movie nights or even Q&A sessions with guest speakers. Ask for feedback. Encourage your members to give feedback on the server and what they would like to see more of. This can help you tailor the server to the interests of your members and create a more engaging environment. Be a good moderator. As the server owner or moderator, it's important to be active and engaged in conversations. This will help create a welcoming environment and encourage members to start chatting. Don't force it. It's important to remember that not everyone will want to chat all the time. Some people may prefer to just hang out and observe. Don't pressure people to chat if they don't feel comfortable doing so. Instead, focus on creating an engaging and welcoming environment and let the conversations happen naturally. Encourage introductions. One way to encourage people to chat is to have a channel dedicated to introductions. Encourage new members to introduce themselves and ask questions to help break the ice. Foster a sense of community. Make your server feel like a community by encouraging members to interact with each other and participate in discussions. Use the server to organize events, share information, and promote member-created content. Use bots. Bots can be a helpful tool to encourage activity on your server. Consider using bots to post daily discussion topics or prompts to encourage members to start chatting. Keep the conversation going. As the server owner or moderator, it's important to keep conversations going by responding to members and asking follow-up questions. This can help keep the conversation flowing and encourage others to join in. Reward active members. Consider rewarding active members with badges, roles, or other perks. This can help incentivize members to stay engaged and active on the server. Remember, the most important thing is to create a welcoming and engaging environment where members feel comfortable and encouraged to participate. Encourage open communication and listen to feedback from your members to help improve the server and keep conversations flowing.